Hi, to fix always on display not showing on Samsung Galaxy S25, as a first step, we need to find and open our settings. And in here, scroll a bit down to find this tab lock screen and AOD. And now we will need to find always on display, tap it, and make sure that it is turned on so you can see the status on and the switcher is blue. And also make sure to enable show lock screen wallpaper because without it you'll see just the black screen. And then go in when to show, and from tap to show or auto you can switch to always, or maybe for new notifications or even set a schedule. But I'm gonna keep this always feature, and now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone, and here it is, always on display. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.